Listen to me carefully. I have spent over 15 years in the web hosting industry. I have managed servers for massive enterprises, and I have helped small business owners launch their very first websites. Throughout my career, I have tested dozens of providers. I run detailed benchmarks. I run stress tests. Why? To separate the marketing hype from reality. My goal is simple. I want to give you the honest, technical truth, so you don't waste your hard-earned money. In this review, I share my direct experience with hosting.com. Let's decide if it is the right foundation for your project. First, let's look at the pros and cons. Here is the good news. Number 1, speed. Their turbo servers use light-speed technology. It makes websites load much faster. Number 2, the support. The Guru crew is available 24/7, and they actually know how to fix problems. And free migration. They move your site for free. That saves you a lot of time. But you need to know the bad news too. Be careful with the renewal prices. The low starting price is only for the first term. When you renew, the cost goes up. Also, to get the famous 20x speed, you must buy the more expensive plan, not the cheapest one. So, who should buy this? If you are a small business owner or a blogger and you need a site that loads quickly, this is for you, especially if you use WordPress. It is also perfect if you are not very technical, because their support team handles the hard work. Now, let me tell you about my personal experience. I wanted to see if their 20x faster claim was true. So, I installed a heavy WordPress theme. Usually, this takes 4 seconds to load. But on hosting.com, the difference was clear. The site loaded in under 1 second. In my opinion, if you run an online store, this speed is crucial. Then, I tested the support. I contacted them at 2 a.m. with a fake technical problem. If you are like me, and you work late at night, you know the struggle. But the agent didn't just send a link. He checked my account and fixed the problem in 5 minutes. That is a huge relief. Let's compare it to others. VS a standard host? Hosting.com has high speed with NVMe drives. Standard hosts? Just medium speed. Hosting.com gives you expert in-house support. Others? Often outsourced and basic. And remember, they offer free migration, while others often charge you for it. Here is my final verdict. Hosting.com offers a powerful mix of speed and support. Yes, the renewal is higher, but the performance boost, it is worth the extra cost. If you want a website that performs, make the decision today.